Right, the Thursday now, losing track of the days. It's a lovely sunny day out there at the moment, so we're just getting ready, and then I think we're gonna head off to, is it Tantallon Castle? We're gonna head off towards North Berwick and further on the coast and see the castles and the beach and the seafront down there. Glorious blue sky for a change. Only had that a few hours so far, or a few days on the holiday, but you don't come to Scotland expecting sunshine, do you? And I think next to the caravan is that a rabbit or a molehill popped up? And there's another one. Rabbits. And here she is, all glammed up, ready for the day ahead. Right then, we all ready to go?
Yeah, we're going to head off to the castle, see what we can see.
We found a weird thing on this campsite has virtually no internet access. Well, it's got no Wi-Fi, and the internet from your cell phone is really patchy. So we found if we put our phones down in this little corner down here, that's the only spot where we can seem to get any access. And then you can hotspot devices off it. So that's our little Wi-Fi hub, isn't it?
Yeah, and there's also a hub next to the bed.
Oh yeah, there's a
on the
shelf. On the shelf we can put stuff on.
It's really strange. I don't know why. It seems to conduct the signal really well.
Oh yeah, it's very strange.
Very strange.
Be glad when all these sites get all the upgrades and full Wi-Fi. Because I've been looking into getting some sort of mobile internet caravan solution, but they're so expensive, and I'm not sure what I feel about drilling holes in the roof to get antenna going out of it and all that sort of stuff. But it would be handy since we're quality caravan vloggers, aren't we? We need to have some sort of internet.
Regional caravan vloggers.
Regional caravan vloggers we are, sorry. Yeah, we're not international quite yet. Though we are in Scotland.
Oh, it is international.
It is international.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The country.
Yeah. Okay, then let's go and see where the day takes us.
Yay. So as you can see in the building, we've got these holes that go all the way along the outer face here. These would have been for the roof beams for the stables for the horses, but also it would have been a great store for ammunition in battles, looking out to the sea.
Okay, so this was the drinking well. So it was used for the residents of the castle to have fresh and clean water, and it was 32 metres deep.
cannon emplacement, and you can just about hit the motorhome over there. Very blowy, but great view. Right, we're going to have lunch at the castle, but unfortunately we left our sandwich bag at the car, which is parked roughly half a mile away from the castle. So I've had to walk all the way back, pick up the bag, and walk back so we can eat. Wish we took it with us, but there you go. It's boiling, and this lunch is heavy. I made it. I got lunch. I got lunch. So this is the North Berwick Law. It's at this massive rocky mountain that you keep seeing on the horizon everywhere. So I thought we'd come and have a climb. It's supposed to be a bit of an extreme climb and a really severe hike to get up there. So we thought
Perfect for us.
Perfect for us. We're just going to hike up. It's quite really steep, so we'll just try and get to top and see what we see. Oh well, it's a shame the battery, the camera cut out when we were up there, but lots of really good hiking. Such a nightmare. Anyway, let's get off to the pub or something. So what are we in?
This is the Ducat.
And what's a Ducat?
The Ducat is a place where all the pigeons were stored, and the residents of this place would all take all the pigeons' eggs.
More stairs, more climbing, more castles. Thinking of renaming Hey Ho Let's Tour the Castle channel. We seem to have lots of castles in our videos, don't we?
We do.
And ducks.
Scottish castles.
Scottish castles and ducks. So when we are here,
The bakehouse and the cellars this way.
down that dark pit. You go first.
No, it's okay, you can go. I'll just see if you fall.
And after a hard day's castle exploring and obviously climbing that mountain, lost footage unfortunately from that. Rewarded with an ice cream. Oh, I'm dripping, I better get back to it. So we go home tomorrow. Rumours of some rain coming, so we've took the awning down. And we're just having a relaxing day, getting stuff ready to go, and I go to the beach later on. We'll see how it goes. Right, it's the last night of the last day and we're going home tomorrow. We're just having a little evening stroll and we've discovered new parts of the campsite I didn't know existed here.
Yeah, I didn't even realise it's like just to the left of reception there's a couple of little pockets of cul-de-sacs of caravans we didn't even ever hear.
Yeah,
we've been quiet.
We've been here 10 days and we didn't even know this bit existed. But we've had a lovely time. I'm not looking forward to heading back, but I'd say it's the longest time we've been out in the caravan. I think in one big break since we've had it, but I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's been absolutely lovely, really great sight.
Awning's down and we're just last night, so yeah. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. We're glad you watched our little Scotland adventure. More to come.
And thank you to everyone that's subscribed already. If you haven't, by the time of recording this, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and get us over the line and keep on with our adventures with us.
Yeah, thanks for watching everyone.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.